What's going on, y'all? This is Comms Engineering, and here is part 2 of making this transaction app for your bank using Google Spreadsheets, Xcode, and Plaid. First thing you're going to need is Xcode, MacBook, or Mac computer. Xcode will not run on a Windows or Linux, so have that installed. Second, you're going to need GitHub, which is free. Just make a GitHub account, and once you have one, we're going to head and generate a GitHub token. Then that GitHub token, and you're going to come back to Xcode. You're going to go to Settings. You're going to go to Accounts, and then I've already got it added here, but you're going to go down here, plus GitHub, continue. Enter your account name, and then you put your GitHub token here, and then you sign up. This way you can have everything that you do inside of the workspace immediately added into your GitHub account for syncing between different devices that you've logged into on GitHub, not on Xcode. So let's say that you have another Mac device that you want to run this project on. Well, you're in luck because you have it stored in your GitHub repository along with of course, a Google account, Plaid API, iOS app. Last thing will be Plaid. So you come into the Plaid, log in, type in your email, and of course you have a bunch of different stuff to work with. You have home notifications. Over here you go down to developers, keys, and this is going to be for running your app. It's kind of connected to your app. Sandbox, this is called an environment, a specific computer environment that you run your code on. Sandbox is dummy test data. It means it's fake data that you can just test over and over and over again. If you want to get your actual bank information, you're gonna have to pay, do a pay-as-you-go type of thing, which fill out a bunch of different information, which I already have, and some of it will be in review. You'll verify your email, complete your risk diligence questionnaire, and then complete your security diligence questions. Very simple questions, yes or no, or just like you'll be chilling after that. All right, so here I am in the Xcode app. I've got some code here on the left side. I've already pretty much built the interface, but here it is on the right hand side. This is what you're gonna see in your app. As soon as your notification pops up, oh, you got a new transaction you spent at, I don't know, Starbucks, right? You click that notification, it'll bring you straight to the app. Enter it'll already have the amount for you here, and you just got to choose the category, what, when, why, and then submit it into the Google Sheet, right? And then so you can always, right here, you can always refresh your bank connection, see if it's connected or not, enable and start monitoring your whatever. Right? Gas station. And so basically, you're working with a multitude of private variables, right? In the content view, you have your struct, which is your structure of the app. So a private variable number, you've got the number, which is just a string. You've got the category, string business, so we're just going to start it off as. Notes as a string. Show Plaid connection is typically going to be false until you connect it, and also the transaction detail. And then these are going to be the services, right? So this is going to be Plaid service, notification service, Google Sheets service. This is important for RESTful APIs and those API keys that I showed earlier. Again, I'm just using 3 categories for this: business, basic needs, and food. You can use more, obviously, and then the preset notes. So navigation view, manual entry. This will be in my GitHub repo as soon as I get my Plaid production access. So I will see you in the next video.